Hello everyone, today we have one of our alumni, Mr. Rahul Jain with us. He was from 2008 pass out batch. I am Dipali Jain, welcome you here, and I am a student of MTA from KIET Group of Institutions. Sir, it's our pleasure to have you here with us. Mr. Jain is a CEO in Padma Infocom Private Limited, an Ultra Group company. Sir, we would like to have few words from you and started with your introduction. So can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yeah, first of all, thank you very much for inviting me, Deepali. You are such a wonderful person, right? And I especially thanks to Prashant sir, right? So let's start my introduction. My name is Rahul Jain. I am CA 2008 batch pass out from Kite. Worked around 6 years in top-notch IT companies like Nucleus, Headstrong, Sapient. Then after, I started Padma Infocom along with my friend Pratik Kumar Bhaumik. So the idea was to digitalize college admission process in higher education segment. So we are solving core issues of students as well as institutes. And I'm happy to share that we are working with almost all premium university all across India today. And in 2015, we raised USD $1 million from Ultra Group. So it is a quick intro, Deepali.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, shall we start our question answer round?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Sir, can you please share something about your memories in kite, like with your faculties and friends?
So memories, obviously, the kite is itself in a big institution, and uh, basically, I'm from very small hometown, and that was the first, I would say that the first step in my professional career that I joined kite and enjoyed a lot, right, those days with friends and faculty. Uh, as far as the memories is concerned, that I would say that there was a shop opposite to Kite, so we had lots of fun with friends over tea and bun butter. The bun butter was very special, right, and Kite. So I really miss a lot.
Okay, sir. So many of our students want to know
Is
that
it uh, is
how.
it is still there the bun butter shop opposite to Kite?
Sir, I don't ever taste it. I don't know.
Okay, okay. I'll tell you that you will really enjoy.
So yes, sir. I will definitely try it.
Okay.
Okay. So many of our students want to know that how our alumni manage the studies with extracurricular activities like projects. So can you please guide them?
First of all, I think that these all extracurricular activities and other related work, project related work, everything is very important, right? And I would say that that every time when you have multiple tasks, you have to prioritize it and make your calendar in such a way. Suppose classes timing 9 to 5, extracurriculum on every weekends, and project works on every alternative day. So this is up to you. I think it's a first level of learning of time management.
Yes, sir. It's very important.
Yeah.
So when you
Yep.
was in your final year, what was your preparations for upcoming placements? What are your state of mind at that time?
At the time of preparation for the exams,
Yes, sir. And for
so
placements
obvious.
also.
Actually, the placement, frankly, I was very nervous at that moment because of my academics was not good. So I focused on my communication skill at that moment because of I am a student from the Hindi medium. And then after I got so much of support from my faculty members, Prashant sir, Ajay sir, Sangeeta ma'am, and then after I got the placement in one of the renowned organization. So this is all about the placement.
Okay, sir. So for an entrepreneur, what qualities a person should have to be, or like what kind of preparation students have to do for an entrepreneur?
I think that first of all, about entrepreneurship, I would like to say that it's not a task, it's not a quality which needs preparation. It's a passion night which needs determination, and anybody can do it. Uh, at the student level, I would suggest corporate job is very important for at least 4 5 years. Before starting nowadays business, this will help you to understand corporate culture. So focus on job first. It's my belief. Might be that different people have different set of thoughts, but I would suggest that focus on your job first, and parallelly you can focus on some market. You can do some market research. You can do some gap analysis. You can do the SWOT analysis. There are n number of things, right? So entrepreneurship, before starting any business, right, first you have to do so much of research, so much of paperwork, then only you should enter. So the first and foremost, for the entrepreneurship, it is needed, the corporate culture, and then after the analysis, and when you feel that yes, this is, I'm pretty much sure this will work, calculate the worst condition, that how so long you can run into your business, because business is not about that you will be good for some time, and every time you will get so much of good results. It's a time of this is the kind of roller coaster, that you will so many ups and so many downs, so you have to be well prepared for that.
Okay, sir.
Over.
So it's definitely need a peace of mind and also
Yes,
the
obviously.
passion in the person.
It's all about the passion. Dipali, it's all about the passion, because I used to see so many people, right? They just start their business, and after some time, right, they just get out from that and they just quit. So if you have the second option at the time of doing, or at the time of coming into the entrepreneurship life, you have to forget your the second option. You have to be very very passionate, that I will do, and this is the first and the last option for me. Then obviously you will win.
Okay, sir. Sir, as a corporate person, what was your experience during that time when you initially joined your job? What was the problem you faced in your initial stage?
For me, initially I was not good in programming, and company assigned me live project. So I worked hard to understand, and then I get some expertise on my work. So I would suggest, and don't think much. Time has immense power, right, and will teach you everything, right? So obviously, just
Yes.
focus on your core subjects, and don't worry, right? The time will teach you everything.
Okay, sir. Sir, as we are freshers, we have so many questions in our mind. Like, I think it's a common question for everyone that we don't we have a coding skills? Then how we will manage our job? And also, if someone have coding skills but do not have communication skills, so what are your suggestions for them?
As I said in my previous answer, I was not good in programming, but with the time I learned. So because there's not a rocket science, right? Uh, but as far as communication skills is concerned, we all should take it on priority, because even if you are smart in coding but you don't know how to explain, then you will face so many challenges. So communication must be focused with the same priority as your regular study. But I would say that nothing to worry. It needs only attention and regular efforts.
So
So
that will definitely help our viewers to have the kind of misperceptions.
yep.
Thank you, sir. So for you, my last question is, like, we all are suffering from this COVID-19 outbreak, and we are the
Mhm.
students who are not able to attend colleges. That this is our precious time. But how can student utilize this time with limited resources?
First of all, I think take it as an opportunity, right? Because I think this is a time that where you can give some more attention on your career, and So much of material is available over the net. There are n number of organizations like Coursera, Udemy, edX, Unacademy, Upgrad, and many more, right? So the world class content
Yes,
you can get over the net. And I think that we have to be well prepared for the online education, because the upcoming time is completely based on blended learning, right? So it's better to hands-on experience on online learning.
sir.
So nothing
Thank
to
you so
worry
much, sir.
about the COVID-19, because it's just a temporary phase, and definitely we will come out. So just utilize this time. It's over.
Okay, sir. So thank you, sir. It's a great conversation with you. I hope it will definitely help our students. Thank you so much for
Thank
giving
you
us a
very much.
precious
Thank
time.
you very much, Deepali. And I would say about Kite, something that Kite and its faculty like Prashant sir, Ajay sir, Sangeeta ma'am, and each and every faculty member and staff will always be the most integral part of my life. And I would say only
Yes.
one thing, that I am here because of you all. Thank you. Thank you very much, Deepali, for giving me this opportunity to express my views. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.